I've decided we're going to do a word every day, and the word I saw that caught my eye was foretaste, which is what? Sample of something that lies ahead. So I'm stepping out for this 1 year anniversary of this place. I shall vlog it. That's my fake laugh. Hi everyone. Yashi and I are going out tonight. I don't
मेरे से
know.
कुछ नहीं होता है कैमरे के सामने.
I don't know how many years of stepping out, and it doesn't get old. Who needs a glass?
Do not know what to do.
Hi everyone. This is Yashi. She's not shy anymore. Yashi, do a spin. If you all want Yashi to vlog, say yes. Talk. She just wanted to talk and now she's
I am not going to talk.
She has major words of wisdom. Oh my god, there's someone
Not
inside.
anymore.
Shut up, man. You have more words of wisdom now.
Live and let live.
Live and let live. You know what a sour face? You should be a happy face. Happy. She's not going to say anything. It's done. It's done. I'm just trying to prolong this for some reason. In my head, I'm Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I'm just great at capturing everything. Here I'm sitting wondering, what should I do? What should I do next? This is when I started feeling myself. And then I was like, I'm gonna sing because I know the lyrics to this song. That's what you're supposed to do when you know the lyrics to the song. I just killed this mosquito. I'm sorry to his family. I killed this guy because he was trying to do bad things to me.
The selfie thing.
Because this is better. This is like the real shape of the face. So this is Nazdeen. I just met her today. She's a sweetheart. She's Goan. She loves fish. That's the best thing you need to know. She loves rice. Rice? I love rice. Her outfit is really cute. I'll show you all. We were just talking about how gossiping is good for your health.
Yeah, and we gossip but not after this hours.
Yeah, but you should be honest about gossiping. Don't be like, I don't like gossiping. We love gup. Gup banta hai, bro. I'll show her outfit later. This is her outfit. Killing it from head to toe. Walk, 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 walk. Spin, spin, spin. I really love her outfit. It's really, really nice, honestly. Yes! The voiceover. We're done, guys. We're going home. It's over. We're done. We are going back home in a cab because that's the right thing to do if you've had a few drinks.
Absolutely. I agree with that.
And I was just telling her this is just for family members, a few people who watch it. Isn't she adorable? I've been trying to motivate her to try to start vlogging. This woman just wants to go to the theory of everything. She's like, I've researched about also. I'm like, bro, don't research. Practical time. Kindly.
You don't want to see me for sure.
No, everyone wants to see. She's so modest. She's an idiot. We were having a lot of fun.
My fucking piercing hurts.
Use the F word. Oh, sorry. So she got her ears pierced. And I'm like, oh, it looks nice. And I poke it. And
Yeah.
she's like, it still hurts. I'm like, oh, I forgot. But it looks so nice. Show. Look at it. She needs to start vlogging. Look at her outfit. Look at how she dresses up. She's the only person I know who is always put together. You go at any hour to meet her, chill at her house. She's always, night suits her aesthetic. I'm like, what is happening? But she won't listen. She's just such a nerd. MBA student, pilot. She's like, no, I have to learn
MBA
everything.
student.
Yeah, she's a nerd, bro. She wants to research even for vlogging and for posting. posting. She's like, I've learned the theory bit. I'm like,
My
Theory.
eyes are blinding looking at the flash right
there's
now.
a flash on our face. I hope this is recording because I've had a lot of fails tonight. But this is all I want to say. Be safe, be brave, don't crave. Bye. She has hiccups and she thinks because of lack of oxygen. I'm like, you yawn because of lack of oxygen. And I'm a nerd deep down inside. But she's like, no, I'm a nerd. But I'm like, no, I'm a nerd. But I'm like, no, it's because of lack of oxygen. But oxygen is coming from here. I think her hubby is missing her husband. Her husband's thinking about her. Who's thinking about me? Nobody. I went out last night, but I'm going to work out today because it's all about balance. And I didn't push myself. I was like, have I slept enough? And then I'm like, yeah, I have. And then I woke up and then I started posting and then I couldn't find my clothes. I couldn't find like a proper pair of pants I wanted to wear. Long story short, I'm gonna hit the gym. Hey. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 5 because 5 is my lucky number now. 3 was my lucky number, but it's not. I just love trees, I love grass. These flowers are so pretty. And then I was like, let me practice some yoga. But when you're hungover, it's a hit and miss kind of situation. I was like, no, I can do this. And then this mosquito tried to attack me. And I'm like, bro, I'm trying to focus. But this dude I was like, forget it, it's not happening today. I thought I could do it. I see these poses on Instagram and I'm like, oh, I'll do it. And then I'm like, what? And I'm like, no. Then at this moment, I'm like, where does my leg go? Where does my hand go? How do I do this? How do I go into that position? And then I was like, you know what? I just need to sit down. I need to be in downward dog. That's what I need to do. Just walk it out a little bit, stretch. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, I'm doing well. At least I'm out. I'm not sleeping. I'm not like, in bed. And then I was like, let me stretch some more. And my hair just does this nice thing, funny thing that it just does what it wants to do. And my hair's a lot like me, honestly. And then I was like, let me do another one of these that it felt good. So I'm like, let me stretch some more. And then I was like, let me sit down. And then I was like, let me roll my chest. But I was like, no, let me hug myself. That's what I felt like doing. No one, I need hugs. Hugs are so good. And then I started thinking about what happened last night. I was like, let me pray on it. Let me meditate. Let me be like a little more zen. Maybe nothing happened. I basically sort of wanted to call someone, but then I deleted their number because I don't want to call this person. And then I started looking for their number and it was nowhere because I deleted it. I downloaded Truecaller because I was like, maybe Truecaller has the number. It didn't have this person's number. Then I messaged them on Instagram, that person, and that person didn't reply. And now I think I just stumbled because I remembered that shit. What did I do? And I love unsending messages. I wouldn't say I love it, but then you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm like, I think this is where I was like, shit, did I do what I did? And then I was like, you know what, it's okay. I don't have no regrets, no regrets. So then I unsent the message and then I realized that maybe this person saw the message and just didn't speak to me. And now in my head, I'm like, he's married to someone else and he's happy, it's over. And then I was just like, at least I have my mat. And then I decided, let me do something else because I don't know, let me just stretch it out. That's the only solution. And after that, I was like, pigeon pose time again because pigeons exist and they seem like they are doing well for themselves. So maybe being a pigeon pose will help in my situation also. What do you all think? Do you think that he saw the message and he just didn't respond? Do you think he loves someone? He's seeing someone? I don't think I've done anything wrong. I don't do wrong things. I don't know why men don't understand that when I get mad at you and I'm not speaking to you, you're not supposed to speak to me. Yeah, I was like, why does he not understand? Like, I'm trying to communicate with him. Telepathy is a thing, guys, but it's not working. Connection mein kuch kharabi hai. Then I was like, let me do a plank. And now when I look back at this, I'm like, my hips could have been a little lower, but we're not going to fuss over that because can't do anything. This is just a voiceover. This is future Neelam looking at past Neelam from a couple of hours ago, trying to do the baby pose. And then I was like, I keep getting these flashbacks. Those flashbacks you get are just like that machar that comes to try to attack you. Then I was like, let me just meditate because I'm a holy person. That's what I am. That's who I am. Pure and pious. And then I was like focusing on my breath work and I decided that I should sit in, I forgot what this is called, Padmasan. I don't remember. And then I was like, this is not the right way of doing it. So when I do it with one leg over the other, like this is that way, my knee wasn't touching the ground. So then I switched, and then I was like, yeah, we're good. And then I started breathing again, and I was okay. Like at this moment, during this time, I was quite good because I was like not thinking about what I did. I honestly don't regret it because I feel like you should do what you feel like doing if it's not harming anyone. How are people going to know how I feel if I don't tell them? Another funny story. When I went out today, I met these ladies and they were asking me how I was. And I have this problem of oversharing. I'll go into great detail and tell people things they don't need to know. And then later be like, did I have to tell them everything? But yeah, so don't ask me how I am. Then I looked at the sky and I literally think there's a message in the clouds for me. Can you all please tell me what message it is because I really need a message, a sign. And I looked at the sky and then I was like, let me do yoga again because that's the only thing I need to do right now. I can only control this. And then after that, I was like, I need to work on my splits, but then I just keep forgetting. Like, I don't have the patience to hold a pose for that long, which beats the purpose, I know. Then I was like, you know what, let me not stress, let me stretch because that sounds better. Feels good. A nice twist. Because I need a twist in this story too. A twist that's going to feel good, if you know what I mean. Then it was time for downward dog again and another angle. This plank was good and baby pose, then some cat cow, and I was looking at these trees and I'm like, do trees fall in love? Do trees fight with each other? Do they call each other and then the person doesn't respond and unsend messages? I don't think trees have complicated lives in that manner. I feel like there's just so much ego and unnecessary. I need to stop thinking about this, and I'm going to once I stop speaking about it. And then we meditate. I was like, let me breathe again because I'm breathing all the time, but this is more conscious breath work. After this, I know things will be better because you just have to be positive in life. Rub your eyes and get on with your day. And then it was time to walk on some grass because that's my favorite part of the day. I bumped into, I think this is a new fellow. Yesterday was a different one. Bye. Bye.